There are not just useful life hacks. Watch in our video the ridiculous life hacks we deserve. It's finally summer! Achoo! Oh no! My allergy has returned along with the beautiful weather. But I know what to do. A mini nose mask is my solution. Are you allergic to anything? A mini mask and your life is beautiful again. Wow! I have to take a picture of that flower. Ah, the photos will be amazing. Oh man, I stained my favorite jeans. What should I do? I have an idea. Real men don't give up so easily. Done! Now my jeans are as good as new. Almost. It's time to apply body lotion. My poor hands! I know what to do. Just apply the lotion with a roller. I can even get to my back. Girls, this life hack works. It's lunchtime. I have a pan. I have pasta. I need to get some water. Great! I'll use this strange thing. Why does it have these holes? Oh, I got an idea! Adhesive tape will solve any problem. It works! Yes, I'm a super inventor! Oh no! I just wasted 3 hours on this makeup! How will I go on a date like this? This time, I know how to save it! Wipes caps protect my makeup from the water. Well, it's all right! Cool! We need a new strategy! Oh, not again! Wait a minute, there's something I need to do! Well, that's better! Adhesive tape! And the problem is solved! Hey! Yes, I'm here! What shoes should I wear? No, not these. Also no. Maybe these white ones? Nope. Oh, these flip-flops are just what I need. They will be the perfect final touch to my outfit. Come on. I have a cool idea. I think that's stylish. Yeah, there are so many beautiful things in the world. Aww. Except for the furniture legs. I have to protect my toes. And here is my super life hack. It remains only to fix the paper with tape. That's all. My protection is ready. I'll test if it's strong. It works! Oh, my back is itching. budget. What should I do? I know! I'll just bond a toothbrush and a comb. Yes, that's much more comfortable. Oh, this is so good! It's time to get some fresh air. Oh no! The bottle is too big, but I'm a super inventor. Since I have no small bottle, I will make it out of a large one. Cut off a part of the bottle. Don't forget about the main element, the adhesive tape. Voila! Now the bottle fits perfectly in the bag. What is that awful smell? Oh, it's me! Maybe onion will help? Ew! Well, that will do. A new selfie won't hurt. Oh, again? I need shoulder straps. I know! I can make them with a hot glue gun. Yeah, that's much better. Finally! There isn't any toilet paper left. It's good that I know one useful life hack. My paper is always with me. And no unpleasant surprises. My hair needs some volume. I think I came up with something. A balloon will help to create the desired effect. Great! Now I look gorgeous! Wow! My shoes are so dirty! But how can I leave the carpet clean? Well, I'll walk on my hands. Phew! Yay! I did it! I'm almost ready. It remains only to put on my pants. Oh no! To do it wearing sneakers is harder than I thought. Wait a minute! I know what I should do! Take off the sneakers. Put them through the pants. And now I put on the pants along with the sneakers. I'm a genius! You need to fix the eyebrows, but you ran out of the special gel? That's not a problem. Just use a glue stick. Now my makeup is perfect! Breakfast is almost ready! I just need to add sausages! Carol, why is my shirt not ironed? Don't you see? I'm cooking you breakfast! Well, Well, take off your t-shirt. Wow, what a cool life hack! Is that better, my helpless boy? Awesome! Here is your breakfast. Bon appetit! Good morning. Oh, I've got something stuck in my teeth, and we ran out of the floss. Oh, this is the adhesive tape. That will do. Carefully. Excellent! Which life hack will you try? Let us know in the comments below. Did you like our video? Then like it, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell. See you!